Hi, I'm from Fabric Trade Products, and I'm here to introduce to you some of our products. They have a unique feature in them, which is a fabric tray, and it's an unusual feature, and we just want to kind of introduce it to people. What is a fabric tray? We know what fabric is, we know what a tray is, but how is this useful in a product? This is our first product here. It's a drawstring bag with a fabric tray. So it's not obvious from the beginning that this isn't really any different than any other product. But to use the product, you open it up the typical way you would a drawstring bag and pull out the fabric tray. And then what the fabric tray does is it allows you to dump the contents of the bag into an area that you can find things easy. So you can sort through what's here, find what you want, and then when you're done, you can just return the product to the bag in that manner there, and then close it up. So that's that one. And then we have a zipper bag. We have one bag that has an opaque wall and one that has a transparent. All of these bags are storage bags. We promote them to use fasteners, but it can really be anything that you want in it. This one actually has fasteners in it. So this bag, it really holds a lot. I mean, you take out, you dump the bag out, it'll hold a lot of fasteners in here. You're on a job site, you need, just one screw to do something. You can come here and, there's a lot of different miscellaneous things here that perhaps you'll find what you need. So you can dump out the stuff. When you found what you need, you grab the fabric tray and slide it back into the zipper bag, push the fabric tray inside the bag, and then just close it up. This bag here is more of an example of being on a job site and you have a bag that has miscellaneous stuff in it. It might have pens and erasers and miscellaneous tools and scissors and so forth. So you can see from the outside the contents of the bag, and then if you need to find something inside, you can dump out the stuff onto the fabric tray, sort through it, find what you need, and then when you're done, you can slide it back in. Push the fabric tray inside the bag and then just close it like your regular zipper bag. So that's that. And then our last product here is a bucket cape. This is the product here. It's kind of like a cape. It's just a piece of fabric. It's got a Velcro strap here that allows you to attach it around a bucket, a typical 5-gallon bucket, which I have right here. So I'm going to show you how to use this. For workers on a job site, they can carry this around with either stock or their tools in it. And when they need something from the bucket, they can just put it down and dump out the whole contents of the bucket. No more reaching into the bucket and cutting yourself on the tools. Now you could leave this here for the day. You'd have ready access to all your tools. You can use the sorting tray, you can put things away that you don't need right now. And you have ready access to your tools. And when you're done at the end of the day, just grab the fabric tray, and it's kind of best if you just kind of roll it into the bucket. It's less wear and tear on the tools, and that's it. You're ready to carry it wherever you want to go. So those are our fabric tray products. Thanks for looking at them, and we hope to see you at the National Hardware Show.